Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to add new user on your Mac. So what you have to do is to add new users on your Mac. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and also press bell icon for more videos and tips for Mac. So now what you have to do, just click on this Apple icon. Okay, now click on system setting, and here you have to find user and groups option. Just here you will see user and groups option, and here you can add new users. Now just click on this add users. Now I have to enter my password. Okay, and click on unlock. Now here you can add three types of users: administrator, standard, and sharing only. So administrator user have all the controls of your Mac, and if you add standard, it only can install, uninstall apps and share files, but cannot add new users. And if you add sharing only, it means that only that person can open your apps and all these things, but other cannot get any other control of your Mac. So I'm going to just click on standard, and here you have to add your full name. Okay, now account name you can choose, or you can also make it that full name is also your account name. If you want to change, you can change it. And here you have to enter the password, and you verify here, enter again the password. Okay, and you can hint, add hint, and just click on create users. So now user has been created, new user has been created. So like this you can uh, add new users on your Mac. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.